Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to change the tri-sensor on a Jandy salt cell. Check it out. Okay, this is the salt cell. That's the sensor, and it plugs into this box here. So we will start by turning off the power. This one has a breaker box right next to it. Okay, once the power is off, we need to remove the cover for the control center. Okay, with the cover off, now we can remove the sensor wire. It attaches right here at the top. It's going to be pretty tough to get out. Pull that loose. That sensor has to come out the bottom here. This one has a connection that you can tighten up, crimp the wires. So we'll loosen that up first and then just pull the wire down and out. Once the wire is out of the main control panel, we need to remove the sensor from the salt cell. Using these specialty pliers, we'll loosen the collar, spin it off, and pull it out. Okay, now we get ready to put the new one in. The collar has to go on first. So make sure to slip it through the wire in the right direction so that it can reconnect to the salt cell. Okay, now add the O-ring. It'll come in the kit as an O-ring and a couple of zip ties. Seat that on the tri-sensor. You want to line up the notch, stick it back in the cell, and tighten everything back up. If we're going to replace the whole cell, disconnect that collar, put the new cell in place, and the new wire. And the new black wire for the controller plugs in right here. And the new one may come green. It's going to be different colors, but the double one will plug in, and then the single one up here. If you were replacing the new cord as well. Okay, let's finish this up. Grab the tri-sensor and the wire, and we'll get it into the main control panel. There's not much room where the wires come through the bottom. So what I'm going to recommend is we take this black wire out temporarily, and that will give you enough room to get the new fitting, get the new wire fed through the hole, and then the black wires will go back in quite easily. Okay, this will be the final connection. Connect the tri-sensor wire to its port, snap it in good. You can see it labeled here, flow sensor. It says flow sensor, but it's actually the tri-sensor, has flow, temperature, and salt, all reading on the same sensor. And we'll get the box put back on the wall. the final step is to set the sensor on A or B. You can use the... Okay, final step, press the up, down, and salt for 5 seconds and you'll get this code. And then we'll match that to the sheet to determine which program A or B. This particular one does not match either code, and in that case you use program B. To set program B, press and hold the select button for 5 seconds and it should switch from A to B. Okay, now that we've got it set to program B, we can close it up, zip tie the wires in place, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching.